In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot the issue of Google Drive folders not showing up. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First things first, if experiencing a temporary error 502, don't panic. This can happen sometimes. My first recommendation is to simply refresh the interface. Just give it a moment, click that refresh button on your browser, and see if your folders reappear. This quick step can resolve many minor glitches. If refreshing doesn't work, let's switch gears. Try using incognito mode. What you need to do is open a new incognito window by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. This mode doesn't use the cache or your regular extensions, which might be causing the issue. If the files show up in incognito but not in your regular browsing mode, it's likely that an extension or an outdated cache is to blame. Speaking of cache, let's tackle that. It's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, head to your browser settings. It varies slightly between browsers, but generally you need to navigate to Privacy and Security and then find the Clear Browsing Data option. Here, make sure to select both cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This action can resolve many viewing issues across various websites, including Google Drive. Now, another common cause for folders not appearing can be file size issues. Make sure that the files you're trying to access aren't exceeding Google Drive's limits. If they are too large, they might not load at all. If you're using the Google Drive desktop application, let's move on to a few fixes specifically for PCs and Macs. First, sign out of your Google account from the Drive app and then sign back in. This refresh can often fix glitches in file visibility. Next, let's experiment with syncing. Click on the Google Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar. Then tap on the gear icon or the three dots to access more options. Look for the option to pause syncing. Wait a few seconds before you click to resume syncing. Sometimes refreshing the synchronization can bring back those missing files. If you're using Windows and still having trouble, try running the Google Drive application as an administrator. Close the app, then right-click on the application icon and select Run as Administrator. This can help to bypass any potential permission issues that may be blocking access to your folders. Don't forget to check your firewall and proxy settings. Make sure that your firewall or any antivirus software isn't blocking Google Drive. You will want to go to your firewall settings and allow the Google Drive app to operate freely. Both public and private networks should be checked to ensure everything runs smoothly. Lastly, you can view unsynced files by going into Preferences in the Drive app. Select the option to view unsynced files just to check if maybe the files exist online but haven't been downloaded to your PC yet. Also, feel free to log into Google Drive on the web for a backup check. There you have it. Those are some practical steps to resolve the issue of Google Drive folders not showing up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.